Hi, this is Annie with Pure Soul Hypnosis. I want to show you 3 ways to use a tuning fork. This tuning fork is 128 hertz, but it is also a special one because this is from our Etsy shop. We have clear quartz and smoky quartz crystals added on to the end of the tuning fork, fastened with a leather strip. Anyways, let's get to it. I want to show you 3 ways to activate it. You need to hit it against something. A lot of people use the palms of their hand. I like to use a hockey puck, hitting it. So the first way is simply by giving yourself your own sound healing treatment. It gives you like this hum, hum, hum. So just bringing it to each ear. Way number 2, you can use it directly on the joints. If you use your wrist a lot typing, putting it directly on the joints. That's why it's so nice to have this clear crystal on it, because it's not like the cold metal that's on your skin. It's this crystal energy healing you as well. And if you're really into crystals, you can program the crystal, you get it with your intentions. So I like to put it right on the joint. Even on the knees, this is great for Capricorns. I'm just kidding. It's great for everyone. The knees take a lot of work on them. Way number 3, use it to cleanse your aura. So our energy moves like this. So kind of rocking back and forth or side to side. If you've seen people deep in meditation or trance, this can get you there easier. Following the inhale and the exhale, and just imagining this loop, your aura. So you can bring it over, meaning your arc line, and just using your own intentional words as you do this. Clearing my energy field. I'm doing it side to side too, making like a rainbow over yourself or your client. And again, using your intention, but also being in that state where you're almost in a trance. If I'm just like this, it's not going to be as effective as if I'm tuned in, centered in myself, bringing my attention inwards, calling in my healing energy. If you work with angels or something, calling in those types of support as you do your own healing ritual with the 128 tuning fork, available on our Etsy shop. Thank you for watching. Stay high vibes.